You know what they say? Don't drown, turn around. I guess they didn't get the text message. Uh-oh, we got a taker. He's barreling through. That's right. Don't drown, turn around. The hell with that. I got a 4x4. I can make it. I can make it. It's incredible. Incredible video. Again, this looks like a river. This looks like a river. Looks like you're standing in front of a river or a pond. Looks just like a river or a pond flowing in any city, any river. It's not. Complete with tidal waves. Look at that. Ripples and all. Ripples and all. Looks just like some river. Instead, it's the middle of the street. Underwater. This storm has been incredible. It's not even over. Again, that looks like a canal in a river. It's a road barrier. It's actually channeling the water down the street. Uh-oh, that's right. Don't drown, turn around. There you go. There you go. What not to do in a flooded street. What not to do. Yeah, what not to do in a flooded street. That's right, here's another one. He's getting it too. That's right. Don't drown, turn around. Yeah, that's right. Wow. Incredible.